Hi foodies, welcome to Mellowbites Curry in Hurry series episode number 12. In today's episode, let's whip up a super simple and absolutely flavorful Ridgegourd egg curry. This goes so well with rice, rotis and even dosas. Let's begin. Heat 3 tablespoons of sesame oil in a pan. I'm using my trusty Hawkins stir fry pan. It's a real game changer in my kitchen. Once the oil is hot, temper it with half teaspoon of mustard seeds. When they splatter, add half teaspoon of urad dal, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and a pinch of turmeric. Not just for the color, but also for its antiseptic properties. Next, add 2 finely chopped onions, about half cup measure, and saute until they turn translucent. Now toss in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a must-have staple in Indian kitchens. Saute it well until the raw aroma fades away. Time to add 2 finely chopped tomatoes, again about half cup measure. Let them cook for about 2 minutes. Now season with salt and 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. And that's it, no more spices. Saute it very well until the tomato turns mushy. Now comes the star, Ridgegourd, peeled and cubed. Ridgegourd, also known as turai or pirkangai, is low in calories, rich in dietary fiber and supports digestion. Do you know that? Its high water content keeps the body cool and hydrated. It's just perfect for summer meals. Mix it well so the masala coats it nicely. Cover and let it simmer on low for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid. You will see that the Ridgegourd has released its own moisture and blended well with the spices. If needed, add a little water to adjust the consistency. I prefer a semi-gravy texture. Now time to crack an egg. Here, crack in 2 eggs. Put the flame on high and scramble it with the curry. Stir for about 2 minutes continuously until the eggs are cooked and well mixed. Give a garnish with a fresh cilantro and that's it. Your comforting Ridgegourd egg curry is ready in minutes. It pairs very well with roti or even crispy dosas. Just pour a ladle of this Ridgegourd egg curry over hot rice. It's just perfect with hot rice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mellowbites for more wholesome and quick recipes. Meet you in another video. Bye.